Hi kids, hope you all are keeping well. See, today we will study adjectives. Okay, here let's see, we will study today adjectives. Now, what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing word. It describes the quality, describes the color, describes the number, describes the shape, describes the taste, describes the shade, whatever. Okay, it describes a lot of things. Now there are many kinds of adjective. Today we will read about all the kinds of adjective also. Okay, first one you could see here, descriptive adjective. Descriptive adjective is known as qualitative also. It's known as qualitative adjective or adjective of quality also. Qualitative adjective and adjective of quality also. It describes the quality. It describes the quality of adjective. Again, I told you just now, color, taste, shade, all the quality it describes. So, descriptive adjective describes the quality. Suppose you are wearing a nice shirt. You are wearing a white shirt. You are wearing a smart dress. So all these are describing the quality of your dress. Nice, smart, red. These all are the quality of your shirt. That it is of which color, it is good or not. So it is what? Descriptive adjective, which is describing the quality. Okay. Now let's come to the second one, demonstrative adjective. You could say it is demonstrative. It is telling us that which one. It is telling us which one. Demonstrative means which one. It is near or far. It is telling us, it demonstrates about the nearness and farness. Nearness and farness. I am saying this is my chalk. This chalk is very near to me. I can touch it. So this is my chalk. This is showing nearness. That is a chalk. That is a chalk. Now it is far away from us. So it demonstrates the farness. So it is what? That is also a demonstrative adjective. This and that. And if suppose there are two chalks. If suppose there are two chalks, it became plural. Now these, when we will say about these are chalks. So these is also plural demonstrative adjective. Okay. Again, we will keep it far. Then it is those. Then it is those. Those are also demonstrative adjective. Okay. Demonstrative adjective means which one? Is it near? Is it far? It demonstrates the nearness and farness. Okay. Possessive adjective. It is showing the belonging. Possessive adjective, which means that we possess something. We belong something. So possessive adjectives are showing belonging or ownership. It is showing belonging or ownership. Okay. Possessive, which means we possess or we belong something. So again, I am having this chalk. This chalk is mine. It is showing belonging. Mine. This is mine. So this is showing belonging. Mine is what? Possessive adjective. This handkerchief is mine. It is mine. It belongs to me. It belongs to me. So it is possessive. Mine, his, her. These all are possessive adjectives. Now let's come to next one. Quantity. Adjective of quantity or adjective of numeral. See, these two are very much similar, but we have to understand that the difference between these two. So quantity is showing the quantity something. Suppose much, less, some. This is showing the quantity. Exact quantity or approximate quantity. Exact quantity or approximate quantity. Whereas numeral is showing the number. But you have to remember, suppose it is saying that some sugar. So sugar is that some boys. If I will say some boys, then it will become what? It will become numeral, because here boys we can count. Here boys we can count. So it will become numeral adjective. Okay. So quantitative, which is telling us the quantity, and numeral, which is telling us the number. You have to see the noun after that, whether it is countable or uncountable. And this one is interrogative. Interrogate, it asks. It asks questions. Okay. Interrogative adjective is asking questions. Which pen is yours? Which pen is yours? So this one, which is, so you have to see what is after that. If pen is noun, if this pen is noun, so it is interrogative adjective. But suppose if I will write which is your pen, if I will write which is your pen, then it is not adjective. Remember it, that you have to see the noun. If it is before noun, then it is adjective. Okay? Which pen is yours? Here it is interrogative adjective. Now children, you have seen all the adjectives. Just to practice what you do at your home. Suppose your name is Rahul. You think that whatever is your name, maybe Rahul, maybe Soumya, whatever is your name. What do you do? First alphabet of your name. Suppose first alphabet of your name is R. So what do you do? Do a game. Do a practice, a fun-filled practice. That you think about your characteristic. Whatever is your characteristic, according to that, you gave yourself 3-4 adjectives. Okay? Suppose Rahul is a robust boy, very strong boy. So robust Rahul. What is that? Robust Rahul. And second one, reliable Rahul. He may be very reliable, so he has given himself the adjective reliable Rahul. Radiant Rahul. He may be very radiant, so he has given himself the adjective radiant Rahul. So what do? Whatever is your name. Maybe your name is Soumya, so you start with S. Suppose your name is Soumya, then you start with S and write 5 adjectives which is starting from your name. You will see this is fun-filled and you will understand the adjectives very well with this. Hope you understood, children. Okay, let's children revise this again. Whatever we read till now, let's revise once again. That what is descriptive? Descriptive means it describes, this adjective describes shape, size, color, etc. Okay? Shape, size, color, etc. Now let's come to demonstrative. Demonstrative, this adjective is describing about nearness and farness. It is saying that which one? The thing, the adjective is near or far. Mostly it is having in your class, in class 5th, 4-5 words like this, that, these, those, such and yonder. Now let's come to possessive. Possessive, as it's clear from its name that it is showing belonging, possess. I possess this. It is showing belonging or ownership. Okay. Now quantity. Quantitative or quantity, adjective of quantity. Now this is showing the exact or approximate amount of something. Exact amount or approximate. Some water, few things, few biscuits, whatever is that. But you have to remember that if suppose I am saying that few biscuits, then biscuits are countable. So it will be plural. You have to see the noun behind that. If it is countable, then we will say that that is numeral adjective. And if it is not countable, then it is quantitative adjective. Okay? Numeral adjective, as it is clear from its name, that it is saying the number of the adjective. 1 pen, 2 pencils, this way. Okay? Now interrogative. Interrogative, it interrogates, it asks question. So question which is having the question word, which is having noun after that, that is the interrogative adjective. Understood, children? Now, rest of the things we will read in our next video.